Hello, Nicholas here from Chefs with Benefits. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Imam Bayildi, an amazing Ottoman dish that is basically stuffed aubergines with onions, tomatoes and garlic. More information about the myth behind the dish and the ingredients down to the description. For this recipe we're gonna need aubergines, onions, shallots, leeks, garlic, green peppers, tinned tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, parsley, basil, mint, thyme, extra virgin olive oil, allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon and bay leaves. We begin by preheating the oven at 180 degrees Celsius on fan selection or 350 Fahrenheit. Using a peeler, we make 4 stripes on each aubergine. We do that so the oil and the seasoning will penetrate the aubergine and they will steam nicely in the tray. Wrap the aubergines with oil and salt. Cover them with a damp baking paper and aluminum foil. We are gonna roast them for about 40 minutes to 1 hour until they are completely cooked. For the filling, we put a pan over high heat, thinly slice the onions, shallots and leeks. When the pan is hot, we add the extra virgin olive oil and we throw inside the onions, the shallots and the leeks. We give them a stir and let them caramelize for a few minutes. Then we add the garlic and green peppers inside, give them a stir. We add the spices. Let them cook for about 10 minutes and then we will add the tinned tomatoes and a little bit of water. We continue simmering it for 15 to 20 minutes and then we will add the fresh herbs. We give them a stir. We continue simmering for about 5 minutes. We take out the bay leaves. We adjust the seasoning to our liking and we leave it aside until needed. For the assemble, we uncover the aubergines. With a knife we make a cut, but not all the way through. Using a knife we create a pocket inside for the filling. We fill them nicely with as much filling as they will take. Then we add the sliced tomatoes on top with a little bit of thyme and if you like a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. We continue roasting them for 15 to 20 minutes and then we are ready to serve. For the serving I am using a little bit of rocket on the plate. We put the aubergine on top, add a few herbs on top and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and if you are vegan you are ready to go. If you are not, you can add a little bit of feta, that is very nice together, and a little bit of oregano. Enjoy this dish either cold or hot. Give a like to this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with a friend who enjoys cooking, and until next time, this was Chefs with Benefits.